Hello students, I am ready with my next video, and my next video is again on PUC first year mathematics. We have already discussed, we were discussing set theory, sets. This chapter is going on, and in previous chapter we discussed, in previous lesson we discussed, in previous video we discussed what are equal sets. Now today we will solve some problems based on what we learned in our previous video. And there is a question says, in the following sets whether A is equal to B or not. This is the question, whether A is equal to B or not. A and B, two sets are given, A, B, two sets are given. We have to say whether A is equal to B or not. A is equal to B or not. This we have to check, right? And the two sets are, A is equal to, here is a set, A is equal to small a, B, C, D is given, and another set is there, B is equal to D, C, B, A. Are these two sets equal? We have to see first number of elements. Here 4, here also we have 4 elements. Number of elements are same, and elements must also be the same. Here we have A, here we have B, here we have B, here we have C, here we have C, here D and D. So number of elements are equal, 4 4, and elements are also equal. Every element of A is present in B and every element of B is present in A. So we can say that A is equal to B. Then we have another set here, another question here. There is a set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. This is the question. And B is equal to X such that X is a positive even integer, and X less than or equal to 10. This is the question, right? These two sets are equal or not, this we have to say. Here clearly elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here we have to write the elements, right? This is set builder form, we have to write in roster form. X is a positive even integer, So if we write this set here, we can start, we have to write even and positive. So we cannot take negative like -2, -4, -6, etc. You have to take 2, 4, 6. 0 is also even number, but 0 is not positive. 0 is a neutral number, so we cannot take 0. We'll take 2, 4, 6. These are even numbers, right? Even numbers are those which are divisible by 2. That means that come in table 2, right? They are multiples of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, right? And then 10. Now there is one more condition here. This condition is satisfying. They are positive and even, but another condition is X elements must be less than or equal to 10. They may be 10 or less than 10. So can we take 12? No. If we take 12, then it will be greater than 10. But the condition says X is less or equal to 10. So we can take only up to 10. Now compare these two. Clearly elements are same, right? Number of elements are 5 here, 5 here, and elements are also same. Therefore we can say A is equal to B in this case. Now one more question is there. Question: A is a set in which X such that X is a multiple of 10. X such that X is a multiple of 10. multiple of 10, and B is another set. B is another set, that is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. Two sets are given here. We have to say these two are equal sets or not. Now this set is already, we know the elements. These elements we have to write. So if you write this in roster form, then what happens? X is a multiple of 10. Multiple of 10. That means 10 times 1, 10 times 2, 10 times 3, right? 10 times 1 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, 10 times 3 is 30, then 10, 40, 50. These are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Or we can also take minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. They are also multiples of 10, but negative, right? So many are there. We have uncountable number of elements here. Here also we have uncountable number of elements, but there is a problem. 15 is there in set B, but we don't have 15 in set A. Therefore we can say A is not equal to B, because number of elements are uncountable in both sets, but elements are not same. We have here 10, then 15. Here after 10 we have 20. So 15 is not present here, 25 is not present here, 30 is there, then 35 will come, which is not here. So A is not equal to B. This is another problem we solved here, whether A is equal to B or not. One more is there. A is a set which is X such that X is a prime number. X is a prime number and less than or equal to 6. X is a prime number less than or equal to 6. And B is one more set, that is X such that X is a prime factor of 30. Prime factor of 30, right? It must be a prime number and must be a factor of 30. Let's write the set. A set is X is a prime number less than or equal to 6. Which are the prime numbers less than or equal to? We know that 2 is a prime number. 2 is the first prime number. Then we have 3. 3 is also a prime number. Prime number means a number that has only two factors. That means the number which is divisible by only itself and 1. Those are called, like 2 is divisible by 2 and 1 only. 2 से डिवाइड होता है या फिर 1 से डिवाइड होता है और तीसरे किसी नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं होता, तो 2 प्राइम नंबर है. 3 के भी दो ही फैक्टर हैं. 3 या तो 3 से डिवाइड होता है या फिर 1 से डिवाइड होता है. 3 और 1 को छोड़ के 3 के दूसरे फैक्टर्स नहीं है. कोई ऐसा नंबर नहीं है जो 3 को डिवाइड करे. 3 को कौन डिवाइड कर सकता है? 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 हो सकता है या 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 हो सकता है. ये दो ही पॉसिबिलिटीज़ हैं. 3 को और कोई नंबर डिवाइड नहीं कर सकता. तो ऐसे नंबर जिनके दो ही फैक्टर्स रहते हैं, दो ही नंबर को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, वो नंबर खुद और 1, ऐसे नंबर्स को प्राइम नंबर्स होता है. 2 है, 3 है, 4 नहीं है. 4 प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. 4 प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. 4 इज़ नॉट ए प्राइम नंबर, क्योंकि 4 का फैक्टर 1 भी है, 4 का फैक्टर 2 भी है, 4 का फैक्टर 4 भी है. तो 4 के यहाँ 3 फैक्टर्स है. 4 1 से भी डिवाइड होता है, 4 2 से भी डिवाइड होता है, 4 4 से भी डिवाइड होता है. तो 4 के 3 फैक्टर्स हो गए. 3 फैक्टर्स हो गए तो ये प्राइम नंबर नहीं होता. 2 ही फैक्टर्स रहना तो प्राइम नंबर हो गया. तो 4 नहीं है प्राइम नंबर. 5 प्राइम नंबर है. लेस देन और इक्वल टू 6 बोल रहा है, तो 6 नहीं है. 6 प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. 6 को नहीं ले सकते. 6 के भी फैक्टर्स 2 से ज़्यादा है. 1 है इसका फैक्टर, 2 से डिवाइड होता है 6, 3 से डिवाइड होता है 6 से डिवाइड होता है 4. इसके फैक्टर्स हो रहे हैं, तो हम नहीं ये कर सकते, राइट. इसीलिए ये नहीं हो सकता. 6 प्राइम नंबर नहीं है.